Sorry if that's loud. It's all toasted good. B16. I normally use that, but I know it pretty well. I make this probably once or twice a month. Just because it's good, man. It's simple, comes together real fast. The leftovers are killer as well, because you know the only thing you really have to make for leftovers is heat up some more, make some more ice, which is not hard. We all know that. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this down. Turn that down. Oh, now it's just gonna thicken up real good. Yeah. Oh, here comes the good stuff. 3 peppers. 3 peppers. There. All right, got the chicken in. Just gotta mix it in now. I don't even know how much chicken I put in here, honestly. I just had some chicken breast, and I was just scooping it out of the pressure cooker. It's gonna be good. Gonna be good. Yep, there we go. I got my rice. It's actually Dunsky, 30 seconds. So I'm gonna pause this and I'll show you what I do. All right, yeah, so I scoop my rice down in there. And I put the stuff on top. Just mix her up. You know? Looks good. It's gonna be great. All right, we're gonna taste test this a second time because I didn't record it. Because that's dumb. Or I'm dumb. It tastes pretty good. Couldn't have done it better. I haven't never done it with the roasted pepper before, and man, it's money. You gotta try it. Chicken a la king, red light, green light chicken, whatever you want to call it. Have a good day.